was a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things. Ballin' the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Slossin' that soldier race.
Hey everybody, this is Jason Matthews, your financial guru. Welcome to a brand new episode that we have here on YouTube. Today, we're going to talk about what are the taxes on your primary home if you decide to sell it. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as we go really deep into the weeds about how you understand the taxes when you sell your home. Now, with your primary home is different than an investment property, a vacation home, or anything else that you have once you're selling it. But when you sell your primary home, you're not going to pay ordinary income taxes that you're normally used to. What you're going to pay is capital gains taxes. And this is how it looks. If you had your home from 0 to 365 days, you're paying short-term capital gains, which is effectively your ordinary income tax levels. Now, anything over 365 days, what you pay is called long-term capital gains. So which means this. If you live over your house for 2 years and you decide to sell it, you're going to pay the gains on that property right now at current rates is about 15 to 20% max on any gains on the property. So that's how it works for capital gains. Now there's a couple exclusions that you should look at. One is this. Let's say that you do sell your home and if you're single and you're selling it below $250,000, you're going to pay no taxes on the first $250,000 for capital gains. And if you're a couple, you're going to pay, you have an exclusion of $500,000 of the profit. Let me say that again. Of the profit is tax-free. And any other gains after that, you will pay capital gains. Also, here's another exclusion rule that people don't understand. It's a 2 out of 5 rule, which means this. If you lived in your home for 2 out of the 5 years, that can be considered your primary home. And that means you get taxed just like this, instead of paying taxes like it's an investment property. So let's look at one way you can look at it. And here's an example for you. And we're going to do 2 examples. One is for a single person who has a property. They bought the house for $100,000, and now they're selling the property for $1 million. The first $250,000 of the growth of it is going to be tax-free. And then any other additional amount of the property, they're going to have to pay capital gains taxes on the remaining $650,000 worth of property. Now let's look at if it was a couple. Let's look at that same example. They bought the house for $100,000. Now it's worth $1 million. And people are like, whoa, how can a house be worth $1 million? If you're a person in California, New York, or the coastal states, we're seeing this drastically. I see it all the time with my clients. Now, people in the South and Midwest, you might not have the appreciation of it, but here's just for you to be more educated, and I want to just use simple numbers for you. If you're a couple and you have that $100,000 home, you don't pay any taxes on how much you pay for it. You get the exclusion again now, since you're a couple, of $500,000. So then, at that point, you will have to pay taxes on the $400,000 worth of gains. Now, there's a couple deductions that you can have. One is, what improvements have you made to the home? If you have receipts, you could deduct that. How much are you paying for your real estate fees? You could deduct that as well when you look at your capital gains. Now, if you have any other questions about taxes or anything, talk to your CPA, talk to your tax advisor. If you have any other additional questions, you can reach out to me and my firm, Matthews Financial Insurance Solutions. Our phone number is 510-229-7608. I hope everybody has a good day. I hope this explains to you what's the capital gains on your property right now. Home prices are going through the roof right now with these low interest rates. Just want to educate you guys on what's happening, how you selling, what's the taxes are going to be. As I'm seeing a huge amount of people, especially here in the Bay Area, where we have what you call this Bay Exodus, where people are moving to Arizona and Texas. So I just want to educate everybody what's going on as far as what's the taxes in your home. Hope you have a good day. Hit that subscribe button, and thank you for tuning in again to our YouTube channel.